Hey guys, welcome to our EOG bootcamp. Today is the very first day, after spring break, and also the very first day of our bootcamp. So starting today, you guys will probably be having a lot of test prep going on, especially for science, math, and ELA. And you will have a lot of testing questions to make you guys get more used to how it will look like when you take your EOGs later on this year. And also to make you guys steer clear of the nervousness that you might have when you're preparing for this EOG. So every day what I'm going to do is I'm going to share one tip with you to kind of prepare you for testing and go through one or two questions that together so that you can see what I would do in your situation and you can continue that practice on your test as well. So this is a set of questions that I took from the test that you will be practicing today after you watch this video. Now, my first tip or the tip for the day is take a breath, okay? You should not be in a hurry. It's okay to take your time, so take a deep breath whenever you feel like you're getting overwhelmed. Just, steer clear. That's it. Take a deep breath and wait for the nervousness to pass. I'm not saying you should just, give up and go to sleep. No, I'm just saying, take a breath. Just resolve your nervousness. Just taking a break will definitely help you get back into focus and get back your game, basically. So take a breath and read through your question. Sometimes that's all you need. Sometimes what happens when you're testing is that you're so nervous that you might not read the question entirely and you might easily miss it, even if it's a question that you most definitely know the answer to. Let's say the question was 1 + 1 is equal to what? But if you're nervous and if you are, overwhelmed, you might see the plus sign as a multiplication sign. You might have overread it, or, misunderstood the question. So sometimes just take a breath, take a pause, and then come back and look at it again. So read the question. If you need to, read it twice, read it thrice. No one is going to stop you. All right, so take a deep breath and then read the question. I know when we're doing this practice at home, you guys are probably not going to be very nervous or overwhelmed because, it's just practice. It's not the actual EOG, but it's a very good tip that will come in handy for you guys if you're ever in a situation where, you're nervous and you're being overwhelmed and you don't know what to do anymore, or if you feel like your mind is going blank. Just take a pause. If you want, if you can, just take a walk around the house for a minute or 30 seconds. Just stand up, take a deep breath and sit down again, and then start working again. I'm telling you, it sounds so silly, but it will definitely be very helpful for you. So this is a set of questions for you guys that I hope you will take your time to kind of go through. Now, any of these questions, if they seem so hard, don't stress about it. Take a deep breath, move on to the next one. All right? You guys got this. If you have any questions about test taking, please reach out to me and I will get back to you. Have a good day, guys.